Dear customer, as we begin the vibrant festival of Navarathri, we at AGR SAI HVAC wishing you a joyous and prosperous celebration. On day 1, dedicated to Goddess Shailaputri, invite you to embrace the spirit of renewal and devotion. On this special occasion, we offer you a 5% discount on all our products and services to ensure you cool and comfortable working space throughout the festivities. And why AGR SAI HVAC? Because we are expertise engineers, in-house qualified technicians, and also we have a decades of experience ensuring you customer satisfaction 100% guaranteed. So, to avail our services, call on this number or visit our website to book your service. Thank you. Happy Navarathri. Dear customers, throughout this Navarathri and Vijayadashmi, we are coming up with so many offers and goodies. For more updates, please like and subscribe and share with your family and friends.